Washing machine won't spin, or drain frequently asked questions. Why is water getting in my sliding glass door track? Water can enter your sliding glass door track due to a dirty or broken track, unsealed glass, or issues with rollers, flashing, or weep holes. Regular maintenance and cleaning of the track can help prevent blockages and reduce the risk of water ingress. Check for any necessary repairs to the track, rollers, flashing, or weep holes to keep water out of your sliding glass door track. How do you keep rain from sliding glass door tracks? To keep rain from sliding glass door tracks, regularly clean and maintain the tracks to prevent blockage of drainage holes. This will help reduce the risk of water ingress and ensure optimal performance of the sliding doors. Check for any debris buildup and ensure that the tracks are not clogged. Additionally, inspect and repair any broken or dirty tracks, rollers, flashing, or weep holes to maintain a proper seal between the frame and the door. How does a sliding door track drain? The sliding door track drains through weep holes located at the bottom to let water flow out. Regular cleaning and maintenance prevent blockage. Where are weep holes located on sliding glass doors? Weep holes on sliding glass doors are located at the bottom of the door frame. They allow water to drain out and prevent water buildup in the track. Regular maintenance and cleaning of the weep holes can help prevent water ingress and ensure proper drainage. Why is water filling up in my sliding glass door track? Water may be filling up in your sliding glass door track due to a dirty or broken track, unsealed glass, or issues with rollers, flashing, or weep holes. Conclusion: water filling up in the track of your sliding glass door can be a common issue. Leaks can occur due to a dirty or broken track, unsealed glass, or other areas of the door. Regular maintenance and cleaning of the tracks, checking for any repairs needed, and ensuring proper drainage through weep holes can help prevent water ingress. By taking these steps, you can keep your sliding glass door track free from water and maintain its functionality. Note: if you want to know more details, you can visit this website, thehomereviews.com.